how to download and install Snapchat app. So if you want to download and install Snapchat app, then first of all you have to open up your Play Store application. And make sure you have a stable internet connection, and then you will have a search bar on the upper side. You can simply tap on the search bar and then search for Snapchat. And after searching, here you will have the Snapchat application. So if you want to install or download, you can simply tap on install. So for now, I have already installed the Snapchat application on my mobile phone. But if you want to download, then you will have download option or you will have install option. Instead of update, you can simply tap on install. And it may take some time to download, and after downloading, you can open up your Snapchat application and then you can create your account or log into your account and use your Snapchat. So that's it. That's how you download and install Snapchat application from your Play Store. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.